Hello guys, today topic is how to use moringa powder. Coming up with new ideas for how to use moringa is one of our favorite hobbies. Aduna moringa has a green and taste unlike other green superfood like and which are algae and often found unpalatable. It is easy to incorporate moringa into your daily routine. Aduna moringa is packed with 5 essential vitamins and mineral 25% plant protein 24% fiber and contains 6x the antioxidants of goji berries, so including it in your diet is graduated to get your feeling and looking forward. How to use moringa. Use moringa could not be easier. Just mix 1 by 2 teaspoons or half and teaspoons if you are just starting out into any dish or drink that could benefit from a sprinkling of sippy nicely greens. The way to think of it is for superfood seasons so just use it as a superfood seasoning so just use it as you would any other green herb or something. Here are 5 of favorite ways to spark linking out salads, eggs, roasted veg pasta, bake into savory bread, brownies, muffins, cookies, stir into soap, dip sauces, stews, shake into apple juice, coconut water and salad dressings, blend into sauces, green juice, some smoothies, ice cream recipes. For more ideas for how to use moringa, check out of Delico's moringa recipes. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram where we regularly share recipe inspirations, exclusive offers and health tips. Do not forget to tag using your recipes on social media to be in with a chance of being featured on our newsletter and Aduna World blog. If you are featured, you will win a pouch of your choice. Try moringa and apple juice. One our favorite way to use moringa every day is mixed with pickle juice. Mix half a teaspoon of moringa with a splash of juice to make it into a smooth paste. Then top up a serve. Related products. Moringa powder. Our mission, our patience, our impact. Learn more. Subscribe to you our newsletter. How to use moringa? Use moringa could not be easier. Just mix 1 by 2 teaspoons or half a teaspoons if you are just starting out into any dish on drink that could benefit from a sprinkling of spicy greens. The easiest way to think of it is superfood seasoning is so just use it as you would any other green herb. Here are 5 of our favorite to supplement break, stir, shake, blend recipes. For more ideas for how to use moringa, check out of Delico's moringa recipe. You can also follow you on Facebook and Instagram where we regularly share recipes, inspiration, exclusive offers and health tips. If you are featured, you will win a pouch of your choice.